DLSU to Blue Bay Walk?
Blue Bay Walk? Sakto, we're gonna walk there.
Ano ba, maulan tapos maglalakad ba?
Fit check nga muna tayo.
It's gonna be our first time walking in the rainy season.
Tingnan natin kung walkable habang umulan. Let's go!
4.2 kilometers away in the rainy season.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Blue Bay Walk right now habang umulan. Alright guys, as you can see, ito yung first walk namin. Nung naglakad kami from start to end na umuulan. Tignan natin guys kung magsasurvive tayo.
Dahil pupunta tayo Blue Bay Walk right now. Blue counter 1.
Blue counter 3. Green light. Sidewalk rating around 5 out of 10.
Blue counter.
We need better sidewalks para sa mga naglalakad dyan.
Pare, alam mo saan may bang?
Saan may bang? Yun ata oh. May bang ata dun.
2.9 kilometers. Guys, mukha ba kaming minions?
Nandito na tayo sa graduation lane. Alright guys, dire-diretso na tayo dito papuntang Pasay. It's gonna be a long journey but let's go.
Amoy chocolate po.
At nakarating na kami sa dulo. Pero syempre di pa tapos.
Okay guys, dito ulit kami sa pedestrian lane na walang stoplight, so YOLO na naman. Let's go!
Okay guys, buti na lang water repellent yung pants namin. So these are the geared pants, bro.
Geared shorts.
Okay. Guys, ito yung sinuot namin specifically kasi ang daming pocket. Like you can put so much at the wallet ko. Wallet. Hoy!
Nakikita niyo ba yung ulan guys?
Guys, lumalakas na yung ulan.
Oh my gosh, na-feel ko.
Let's go! It's been raining in Manila, hindi ko ba nilalamig? Hindi ka ba nilalamig?
No! I'm built different.
Slow down, slow down! My friend! Slow down! Slow down!
Puro pa doon.
Guys,
Okay, drop!
Guys.
Uy, what happened?
guys,
Let's go, nandito na tayo sa Blue Bay.
Let's go, Blue Bay Walk!
may bubong na.
Ooh.
We survived with the UV Pocketable Parka. Let's go.
The geared shorts and the geared pants.
And then our water repellent bags. Let's go. Thank you, Uniqlo. Let's go.
Sakto talaga. Mag-outro nga tayo sa Uniqlo.
Let's go, hindi lang kami yung basa guys. Hindi lang kami yung
Let's
basa.
go, di lang kami.
Let's go, sama-sama tayo lahat.
Hindi mo kami.
Boom. So ito yung UV Pocketable Parka. Okay, let's go.
DLSU to Blue Bay Walk. Done.
So you guys already know the drill. Comment down below where to next from DLSU to where.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you guys next time. Hopefully dry.